dishes after I've cleaned that chicken down to the bone and gotten everything out of it from the bones and everything. Now I'll put got chopped up some onion, chopped up the chicken real good, every part of it, all the flavor from the chicken, skin, inside, everything, the crevices and all of that. And I topped it off with some basil. Now we're going to use the usual suspects, which is good old rosemary flakes. Love rosemary. Gives it a pretty distinct taste. Then going to go with some oregano. A little oregano here. Not that much because oregano can be overpowering, and I still want the rosemary and the fennel to really bring it out. Now this is a little fennel seed. I like that. You don't need too much fennel seed either because it really has a stronger taste to it. And I like to use this my prime rib seasoning. It has all different kind of spices in there. I detect a little like Indian spice in there, but who knows? Gonna put some extra virgin olive oil in there. It's already moist in the inside, and it'll pretty much it'll be okay. Cause it's not dry. Like I said, I scraped that chicken and got all the remnants and all of that stuff out of there, and it's really flavorful chicken. If you want to look, you better look. See, it's nice. See, this is not dry chicken. A lot of times people make chicken salad and it's dry. And you don't get all the flavor that the chicken was cooked in. And the chicken is cooked, and you do all that flavor, and there's no sense in it when you're making a salad not to capture that, or you making soup or anything else. You know, especially when you're making a soup or something. So what I like to do is add a little crushed red pepper flake. May look a little like a lot, but it's not. A little sea salt. Now, a little black pepper. And we're gonna go with some. I like putting a little of this mustard in there. Sweet, hot mustard, Mr. Mustard. That's my favorite, about that much. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Of course, you use a fork to get all your ingredients in there. You know, so many times people make chicken salad and it's just bland. Doesn't have any oomph to it. And I like some oomph with my salad. I want it to have all those herbs and ingredients in there that I cooked in it, and then I'm adding some to it. So it really is really flavorful. It's not. And you can look at this and see that it's really flavorful. A little bit more of that prime rib seasoning in there. This stuff is pretty good here. Then give it a little taste. That's good. And you always take a forkful to see what you get, what the taste is. Now the taste I'm going for really is for my rosemary flakes. love the rosemary. I'm gonna add a little more of that. And the rosemary and the fennel are a marriage made in heaven. Fennel seed a little more. So now I'm using my favorite mayonnaise, the only one I use, the one I grew up on, and that's Hellmann's. They say it's real mayonnaise, and when you bring out the Hellmann's, you bring out the best. Right. We're gonna go to so many times people have dry chicken salad. Need about that. That's 4 tablespoons. May need more. But right now, I like mine like with this nice white ingredient. Get it mixing. Mix them on up. Because believe it or not, it will tend to dry out. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Get that mixed up nice and good. Alright. See how nice and mixed up. It's pretty well. That's when you want your chicken salad. That's the way I like mine. So when you get all of those flavors and stuff in there, it's really gonna be good. Now, little coup de grace. Got some nice tortilla wraps on this company right here. These were pretty good. We got a pretty good price on them. Put this in one wrap, one nice big wrap. Mr. D loves his salads. So, we got some cut up romaine lettuce, arugula, and tomato right there. Put it down like that. This is where I want this at. Get this on there. Right there. Okay. And this is so firm and delicious. It's worked up. Add one of my super wraps here. And oops. Got it out of here. Bring them back. Hook them on up. And there you go. There you have it. A supreme super chicken wrap. From me to you. Oops, there it is. That's what I call a supreme chicken wrap. I'm gonna make another one right here with one more I have here. Another one. Let's see. Let's get it right there. Get that arugula on there, sort of mixed up. Three big wraps out of it. Another one. Another one made. Fried that. Egg. Fried. I think this will be the last one. Okay, here you go. Just a little bit more. Got enough left. More than enough left. That's all. See how firm it is. That's where you want it. You don't want your chicken salad loose. You want it with the dressing so it's firm, not runny. A lot of people think if we put more mayonnaise in, it's going to be runny or nasty. No, it's just perfect. Finished with the wrap. That's a wrap. Have your 3 superb chicken. Supreme chicken wraps. There you go. That's a mouthful. God bless y'all. Thank you for watching.